My God, this kid is fast. What's going on, everybody? I'm Tony. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very special episode of Expert Series. In fact, it's so special, I'm not even featuring an expert. I'm featuring a novice. Now, this novice is not your run-of-the-mill novice. Hayden Bicknese is a young phenom who is a force to be reckoned with in US-based road racing. If you by chance saw my last Expert Series video, I featured a buddy by the name of Rusty Grant, and in that video, Hayden came from the second wave of the race to beat everybody. Like, everybody. So, I reached out to Hayden's team owner and crew chief, aka Hayden's mom and dad, because Hayden is 14 years old, to see if they would like me to make a little video for him. They said yes, and so this video was born. As I said, Hayden is 14 years old, and I haven't been around road racing for all that long, but I feel like I know talent when I see it, and I would venture to say that the entire CMRA paddock sees the talent that this kid has. Now, don't get me wrong, Hayden is not the only talent in the CMRA. There are some insanely fast young guns coming up through the ranks. Hayden just so happens to race in the class that I race, so selfishly, this video is to make sure that he gets promoted to expert and then goes to MotoAmerica and wins that. And then you know what? I want to see this kid in MotoGP. Like Red Bull Rookies Cup, here he comes. All right, enough of me talking. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up down below, consider subscribing, and I'm going to be sure to put all of Hayden's socials and all that kind of fun stuff down in the description. Check him out, like him, share him, do all that kind of fun stuff. Ladies and gents, enjoy the video.